It's that time of the year again where we are switching from AC to heater, and it's time to change again the filter. Don't forget to stop at your local Lowe's or Home Depot and pick up your filter. Your AC and heater vent will appreciate it. Of the year again too, to make sure you change your batteries on your smoke alarms. It will save, or it could save your life or the ones of your loved ones. So make sure if you come, pick up fresh batteries or change the smoke alarms. By the way, I'm a Red Cross volunteer as well, and we go out and install the smoke alarms for homes in potential fire hazard areas. Also, don't forget to pick up your emergency kit.